Hi guys, how are you today? It's Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. So happy you're here to join me today because as the beauty expert and senior stylist of René of Paris, I often show you some really exciting styles, hints, tips and tricks you can do at home. But you know, what I've never actually showed you guys before is how to remove the bobby pins out of your wig. So, you know, what normally would seem quite a simple thing when working with bio hair, that you'd come in after your night out or your event or whichever you're doing and, you know, sit there picking them out. You know, that's not actually true for the wig. You don't actually have to do that with a wig, whether it be for fashion or, you know, you wear it because you have hair loss or you just fancy a colour change. The same applies each time. So, as you can see, here is a previously done up style. A very, very soft up style, you know, so just literally worn up, cascading hair down, so not an awful lot to it. However, it has got quite a few bobby pins in there. So first things first, don't try to take them off on your head, make life easier on yourself, and take the wig off. First what I do is I look inside the wig cap, and I'm just going to turn the wig cap slightly inside out, and then any bobby pins I can visibly see, I just slide these out with my thumbs. So I'm just getting these pins like this out of the head. You can actually turn the wig inside out, so you can easily turn it inside out, so you've got that cap, so that's really handy. And as you guys know, this is what I worked with on this style. This was a Riley melted marshmallow, and you can see that from the cap that we've got a lace front and a lace part, so it keeps it looking so natural. Just by having that inside out and then feeling your way through with your fingers, feeling your way through like so, and then just by literally I'm doing that with my fingers, just feeling for grips. You can see them coming out this way. There's a bobby pin just sticking out the top, and then I just push my thumb through. So it's a very, very delicate way of doing this, and it really doesn't damage. When I put this up, I remembered that I put 3 ponytails, one here, and one here. So I'm just feeling for the ponytails because I know that I will have put some grips in those areas. So it's like an Easter egg hunt, guys, but just for grips. What I do again, guys, then is just for one last time, and I think I'm done, is I turn the wig cap inside out, give it a little shake, feels okay, and also by shaking that a little bit, what you are doing is you're gently softening the wave pattern back into place. Here she goes, sitting back into place. I'm just taking my trusty René of Paris wooden comb, and what I like about this comb is I can actually do a lot of the work just with that tail on the comb. You don't necessarily need to comb it through. You know, what I'm trying not to do is disrupt the curl pattern too much from Riley, because, you know, that's why I used Riley for this style, because I wanted that exact soft pattern. So sometimes less is more, just use the tail of the comb. See how I'm just doing that there with my fingers and the tail of the comb, and that's just restoring back to the Riley we all know and love. And I mean, look at that colour, guys. Look at that colour, that's just unbelievable. And you can see she's just gone back to how she normally is when she comes out the box, nice and fresh. But I'm going to use one of the René of Paris products. I'm going to use the Revive Liquid Enhancement. Now, I use that from an arm's distance, and if I can just show you the product right there, and I just literally lift the hair up just to give it a bit of a freshen up. So from me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans, today I've been showing you how to take bobby pins out safely from your wig. This has been a Riley melted marshmallow, and it's looked fantastic. We've just used a little bit of Revive enhancement to bring it back, and it's looking and it's smelling amazing. So as always, guys, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.